this try with resource हमें डिस्कस करते व्हाट इज द try with resource statement. Try with resource statement is what ना if you have lengthy finally block माने हमर जदि finally block टा more than one जदि finally block अछि तो instead of creating a lengthy finally block we have to use what try with resource statement. Okay, तो हमें try with resource statement means try भितरे तार parenthesis भितरे हमें class define करिवा जेमति कि मोटे previous example देखैतिली suppose I define here try then catch arithmetic exception E. Okay, so I define here arithmetic exception. Then suppose I define here class object new file. Now for closing this object we are using finally block. So finally, so in the finally I define here I dot close method. Okay, similar way if you have any other predefined class object, suppose connection con. So if I define here connection classes, then for again closing that connection object con dot close method is used. So it's saying that instead of writing this method you have to pass माने एटी क्लोज पाई एटी हमें आउ गोटे फाइनल ब्लॉक यूज करिवा सॉरी एटी हमें आउ गोटे फाइनल ब्लॉक यूज करिवा okay now for closing the file we are using try with parentheses. In this one. Okay, so in the try with parentheses or bracket we are using this close method. Okay, हेले हमको आउ एठी फाइनली ब्लॉक यूज करिया को पड़िबनी मींस हियर the object is automatically created and object is automatically destroyed. Okay, बुझियला शुभम मनीषा दिशा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then some of the classes are present with net टिके slow रोज. Okay, some of the classes are present, those are automatically closed and automatically open. Okay, so that is called as what java.lang.autoclosable ये गोटे resource, java.io.closable resource. So these are the different kind of package is present which is automatically close and automatically open. It automatically close way and automatically open way. Okay, so that the following code snippet shows how to declare this auto closable interface with close method. हमें use कले public interface name is auto closable, then void close method. then throws exception. तो void close throw exception माने एठी हम यूज कले मेथड भीतर हम क्लोज मेथड यूज कले जोटा कि ऑटोमेटिकली हमरा क्लोज होगा. देखो एठी रहिला ट्राई विथ रिसोर्स स्टेटमेंट. ट्राई भितरे हमें किसी रिसोर्स बा प्री डिफाइंड क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट हमें पास करबा. तो हैज द एक्सेप्शन ऑकर्ड व्हाइल क्रिएटिंग ए ऑटो क्लोजेबल रिसोर्स. मतलब हमें ऑटो क्लोजेबल रिसोर्स बनेबा तो एठी जदि हमर एक्सेप्शन आसिला then control is immediately jumps to the catch block. Okay, so has the exception occurred while creating a auto closable resource? So while you are creating a object and it is a auto closable resource, if it is yes, control jumps to the catch block. So control कहाँ होगा catch block को पड़ेगा. एबे मु define करी has an exception occurred in the body of the try block. Try block body रे जदि मोर exception arise होची then control is jumps to the catch block. जदि ट्राई रो भितरे जदि मोर एक्सेप्शन अराइज होची ताले मोर कंट्रोल टा कैच ब्लॉक को जीवो. नेक्स्ट इज हैज एन एक्सेप्शन ऑकर व्हाइल क्लोजिंग रिसोर्स. जेते बेले हमें रिसोर्स टा क्लोज करबा हैज एन एक्सेप्शन ऑकर व्हाइल क्लोजिंग रिसोर्स. रिसोर्स टा को जेते हमें क्लोज करबा को चाहू छे
सर वॉइस को कुछ
वॉइस कटू जी. अच्छा
Yes,
मतलब जहाँ कटू मते कॉल करो. अरे नेट स्लो जी
सर मोर भी वॉइस क्रैक करना होता
कटू जी वॉइस. तो मु कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल कर दो जी. हाँ दिशा कॉन्फ्रेंस रे मु नउची हला तुमरो वॉइस कटुची ना ठीक अछि. ठीक अछि ताले तुमे काटी दिया. मनीषा तुम मो वॉइस सुबुची ना कटुची तुमरो.
सर एना क्लियर आस्ती.
अच्छा शुभम एबे क्लियर अछि. हेलो शुभम.
Yes, sir.
तुमे कटि छ. तो एटी देख तुम्हें ऑन करना जो कनेक्टिंग करना ऑडियो.
Yes, sir.
एपटे देखला वॉइस सुबुची एपटे जूम रे भला वॉइस सुबुची. और देखा जब हाँ ना तुम्हें लाइन नहीं था देखो. ओके सो हैज एन एक्सेप्शन occurred while closing a resource. जेते बेले हमें रिसोर्स को क्लोज करे. रिसोर्स मींस द प्री डिफाइंड क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट. तो से समय जेते हमें रिसोर्स टा को क्लोज करिवो if there is a chance of exception the exception is suppressed. तो एठी हमर एक्सेप्शन टा सप्रेस हे जीवो. the next point is suppress means it is not handled. माने हमें गोटे जिंस सारीबा को चाहू जाउचे तो से समय जदि किछि एक्सेप्शन आसला it is not impacting to your program. Next is did the try block execute without an exception, but an exception was generated during a closing a resource? Did the try block execute without an exception? try block टा मोर कोन बिना exception हमरा arise होची. Okay, so the try block is execute without an exception, but an exception was generated during a closing a resource. Okay, the try block without an exception it is generated, but at the time of closing, then again it is going to the catch block. बुझेला निशा मनीषा?
Yes, sir.
The multi-catch statement, it reduces the amount of code to be written and avoid catching the generic exception. It separate type of alternative by vertical var. That means what? I mean multiple catch statement use करिवा. Suppose more a try block define करूची and I am expecting that more than one exception will come in the program. Suppose in the try block code, exception, suppose I found that it arithmetic exception asipare. Arithmetic exception. Then I found that file not found exception. Okay, so if you expect that more than one exception will come, then you have to use a multiple catch statement. So here it's saying that instead of writing the multiple catch statement, here I use the OR statement. इधर मैं OR statement लिखिवा. Without write multiple, if you write OR symbol, then also it is working. कौन कहलो? Okay. So here the catch statement is not required. We are using the vertical var. And when you are using a vertical bar, ensure that it must not be a inheritance relationship. That means मुझे दे define करीबी catch IO exception I cannot define file not found exception. माने हमें ए दुटा डिफाइन करि परिबाने IO exception and file not found exception cannot be defined as together because file not found is a child of IO exception. So when you define multiple exception in a single catch block, you have to use a OR symbol and ensure that it is not having any kind of what like inheritance relationship. Okay, बुझेला? शुभम, मनीषा,
Yes, sir.
ईशा?
Yes.
देखो एठी आमे जतले ट्राई एंड कैच जतले डिफाइन करूचे जतले आमे ट्राई देन कैच स्टेटमेंट तो कैच स्टेटमेंट आमे जतले डिफाइन करले तो आमे एमती आमे जदे एक्सपेक्ट करूचे मोर देन वन एक्सेप्शन आसीबो तो आमे कैच ब्लॉक रे एमती डिफाइन करि परिबा एरिथमेटिक एक्सेप्शन देन और फाइल नॉट फाउंड एक्सेप्शन ओके आउ एमती डिफाइन अलग अलग डिफाइन करी हबो किंतु आमे जतरा और सिंबल यूज करिवा आमे एंश्योर करिवा जे जो एक्सेप्शन आमे डिफाइन करछे इट मस्ट नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ पेरेंट एंड चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप माने आईओ एक्सेप्शन फाइल नॉट फाउंड एक्सेप्शन आमे एकाठी डिफाइन करि परिवा नै कारण फाइल नॉट फाउंड एक्सेप्शन इज ए चाइल्ड ऑफ आईओ एक्सेप्शन बुझे फाइल नॉट फाउंड इज ए चाइल्ड ऑफ आईओ एक्सेप्शन सो यू कैन नॉट डिफाइन इट बुझियला
Yes, sir.
The next is method. Use the throws clause to throw one or more exception. Stop executing when the exception is generated. The exception is thrown to the caller. Okay, so one is by using a method like class demo. If a method wants to throw a exception, then how you have to define? Suppose void display function then throws IO exception. So when you define throws clause, it means what? It doesn't handle what void display throws IO exception. When a method wants to throw a exception, then throws keyword is used. But a method जेतरा हमारा exception throw करिवा, हमें throws keyword use करिवा. And next is saying that यदि मेथड हमारा थ्रोज करिवा थ्रोज आई एक्सेप्शन ए जगह रे हमारा एक्सेप्शन टा हैंडल हुए ने जेमते कि कोन वे थ्रोज मींस व्हाट इज जस्ट डिले द टाइम ऑफ एक्सेप्शन धर गाड़ी रे किछि खराब अछि त हमें कोन करू ना एडजस्टमेंट करू दैट मींस एडजस्टमेंट इज व्हाट लाइक हां हमें आउ किछि दिन ताको चलै परिबा माने हमें टाइम टाइम के जाऊ तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट यू कैन से इट इज ए थ्रोज क्लॉज throws clause is it is basically it is used it is not handle the exception it just delay the time of exception that is called as the throws clause it is just delaying the time of exception so that we are using throws clause exception while declaring overridden method declare the same exception declare the fewer exception declare more specific exception do not declare the additional exception do not declare more generic exception okay overridden method means the exception is handled in the child class so when you handle the exception in the child class declare the same exception that is defined in the parent रे हमें जहाँ define करिवा child रे हमें सेया define करिवा suppose class hello then void display and I define here throws IO exception. Okay, so next if I pass class suppose ABC extends from hello. Class ABC extends from hello. So here I will define void display, same means function is overridden, then throws I have to define here IO exception. Mu ethi bhi IO exception define karibi. But I cannot give here arithmetic exception. If I define here arithmetic exception, then it shows an error. So when you define a exception, when you define a function and throws a exception, what is the exception you are throw? So that exception you can define here in the child class also. माने एठी IO exception अछि त मु एठी IO exception define करिवि. एठी जदि मु arithmetic exception define करिवि then it shows an error. बुझियला निशा मनीषा
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next is it's saying that do not declare additional exception, do not declare generic exception. Generic exception means which is handle all the type of exception. Means here if you write exception keyword, so exception means it is handle all the type of exception. So that is called a generic exception. Then next comes to the custom exception. Custom exception are created when the class extends from the exception class, are not thrown by the standard Java class library. The class may override method or add the new functionality. It captures the information about a problem that has occurred. Custom exception means it is created when the class extends from the exception classes, are not thrown by the standard Java class library. Means based upon your customer requirement, based upon your application requirement, आमे निजे exception define करिवा. किछि किछि exception अछि जेमति कि arithmetic exception हो, file not found exception हो. So that is basically it is used when that type of exception will come. माने सेट पर exception जदि आसिला ताले आमे handle करिवा. किंतु जो exception हमर अछि जोटा कि आमे application requirement wise किछि exception define करिवा ता कुहा जीवो custom exception. माने देखिबो एबे किछ जगह नाइट कर्फ्यू होछि किछ जगह पूरा लॉकडाउन होछि. So based upon the situation they are imposing that kind of restriction, but it is not allowed to everywhere. Sabu jagare mane in India it is not what applied everywhere. So based upon the situation or based upon the place this is imposed. The custom exception are created when the class extend the exception class are not thrown by the Java standard class library. The class may override method or add the new functionality. So that it is defined through new DO exception. So when you handle the exception, we're using here get message method. So get message method is used for a string type. All exception class are inherited from the throwable. Get message is what? Like suppose आमे तार exception define करिवा. So try then catch arithmetic exception, then object is E. Now E is used, E is the object of the exception class. Arithmetic exception, eta hela object of arithmetic exception, and what actually it is display माने ए exception टा actually कौन display करिवो ताको print करिया पे हम एठी use करिवा. Suppose system dot out dot println a dot get message method. So e dot get message method is used to show actually the cause of exception. So why this exception will come, or in which line the exception is present. To define that, we're using this part e dot get message method. बुझिएला? E is the object. Now convert this object into a string format and give where our actual exception is present. Then we're using get message method. बुझिएला? Manisha, Disha, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it will display assertion. Assertion that the application assertion ensure that the application is execute as expected. It means what? It will take some sample value and check whether your program is correct or not. So it ensures that application is execute as expected. It verify the assumption or internal logic of a single method. After writing a program, you have to check that your program is written correctly or not, it is properly executed or not. For checking that, we are using assertion. The assertion is execute, assertion is the application. It will check your application is execute as expected or not. It is a document and verify the assumption and internal logic of a single method. Implementation type, one is internal invariant, control flow invariant, post condition and class invariant. For checking your logic is correctly written or not, we have to take some sample value, like some internal value will take. Then we check our program is correctly working or not, and we take the post condition and class invariant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Assertion is disabled by default. Assertion disabled by default. To enable it, we are using Java enable assertion then my program. So it is disable, assertion is disabled by default. And for making it is enabled, Java enable assertion then my program or Java EA my program is used. So this is the way of implementing assertion. It is disabled by default. For making enabled, we're using Java enable assertion my program or Java EA my program. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is all about your exception. So in next class tomorrow I will show the program of exception. Okay, then I go forward. Okay, chalo, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.